Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot sauce dance. Place a shallow dish of hot sauce on a compact speaker and play a low-frequency tone around 40 Hz. Gradually raise volume until ripples form, then fine-tune frequency for different patterns. Keep the speaker stable and the dish centered to avoid spills. Wear gloves and work on a protected surface so cleanup stays simple and safe for experimenting. Start with a pure sine wave at a low frequency and listen for the sauce to respond. Move between 20 and 80 Hz to discover steady ripples or dramatic jumps, and use short bursts to create isolated splashes. Changing frequency slowly will morph the motion smoothly, while beats or pulse tones create rhythmic hops. Keep volume moderate to avoid losing control and adjust distance between speaker and dish. Thicken thin hot sauce slightly with a pinch of xanthan gum or a small amount of sugar to help patterns hold together. Always keep electronics elevated and dry when working with liquids and unplug gear before adjustments. Work in a well-ventilated area and avoid inhaling concentrated capsaicin fumes when splashing occurs. Do a quick test on a small amount to dial in settings before committing to a full display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.